Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. So here we have one of the jumble sentence questions. Not from the jumble sentence question. We can call it as the odd one out. As why do I tell it jumble sentence? Because it is from the one of the means you can say that child of the parajumbled family. So in this particular part, what do you find out? The direction stated that five sentences. You can find out the five sentence here, right? Uh, and These five sentences related to a topic are given below. So four of them. So out of these five, we will find out four of them can be put together to form a meaningful and coherent short paragraph. So in this is the reason I pointed that it's a jumble sentences because as long as if you find out the jumble sentences, we need to make them coherent and orderly form so that we can find out it refers to one of the topic or one of the family. And once we get into the means orderly form or find out the means meaningful text, so then the odd one way becomes very easy to identify, isn't it? Let's go for this. Um, so in this test, we need to identify which sentence disrupts the coherence of forming a meaningful paragraph with the other sentences. Let's look into the first one. It is stated a dove is a sign of love, freedom, and peace. So this sentence establishes the topic of discussion, the symbolism of the dove, right? The symbolism, symbolism of the dove. So interestingly, it can also serve as a political emblem, isn't it? Political emblem. Political emblem. So the sentence adds to the topic by introducing another aspect of the dope's symbolism. If you look into that, uh, second, interestingly, it can also serve as a political emblem, so which can be called as a one and a two, because it is referring to what? A dove. Then you talk about three, Usman Khawaja, the Australian cricketer, insisted on Khwaja. Usman Khwaja, the Australian cricketer, insisted on displaying a dove with an olive branch on his shoe for the Boxing Day tested bird. Right. Now, in that case, option three does what? Um, it is stated about provides a specific example, you can say. Specific example, right? Specific example of the dove being used as a symbol in a particular event, right? So next is called as a specific what we can say that specific example, right, of the dove being used as a symbol in a particular event. And if you look into the fourth one, the concept of such a khichuri type of right khichuri type of a bird as a symbol of peace was not inspired by mythology, nor was it a creation of Sikumar Roy, who excelled in fusing different animal forms in his poetry and prose. Right. So, and if you look into this fourth option, so this sentence introduces what? Uh, a new and unrelated concept about the origin of the dove as a symbol of peace, referencing mythology and a poet's work, in addition to being an icon of the era. Uh, if you look into that, it was used to adorn a poster for the Paris Peace Congress in 1949. So this sentence continues the discussion on the various contexts in which the dove has been used as a symbol of peace. Right. Now, if you observe that option 1, 2, 3, and 5, right, are all related to the topic, right? So, of the symbolism of the symbolism of the dove. Symbolism of the dove, right? Its uses as a political emblem, specific instances of its use, right on. and it's a historical importance, right? And sentence 4, however, it deviates from the main topic by discussing what? That the sentence 4, which is nothing but called as a, deviates from the main topic by discussing the origin of the concept of a, you can say that khichdi type of a bird, right, as a symbol of peace, which introduces mythology and specific points work. This is not directly related to the kind of a sentence given in option 3, right? That focus on the dome. So the conclusion will be, then so we can find out sentence 4 disrupts the coherence. Sentence 4 disrupts the coherence. And you can say that the paragraph, because it introduces a new and unrelated concept about the origin of the dove as a symbol of peace, which diverges diverges from the main theme discussed in the other sentence. Therefore, sentence 4 is the odd one. I hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.